Alright guys, today we are going to be making the bookmark. So we're going to need a rectangle, or an oblong as they call it, 4 by 2.5 inches. 4 and 2.5. 4. That is good. This is quite small. Now we are going to label it A, C, B, and D. Now we're going to fold AC along AB, like this. And then do BD along BA. Like that. It says the two folds will overlap. Now we're going to paste them with some glue. Oops. I don't know why I did that. I like to add some washi tape just to make it pretty and hold all together, but this is not part of the paper tutorials, but it's what I do because glue never seems to hold these very well. And they show how you can cut the side into an ornamental . Here's how it works. That's one of the simplest paper modeling tutorials ever.